Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Another year went by and it's time to say goodbye to 2024. New hopes are ahead of us. Perhaps some dreams we had for this year didn't come true, but they will continue on for next year. Tomorrow is the first page of a 365-page book that each of us will write individually. Let's raise our glasses to 2025 with this delicious Kir Impérial. On behalf of my team, I wish you and your family a fabulous new year. So let's get mixing. This is a super easy cocktail to make. In champagne flutes, we'll pour in some chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur, and then top it up with champagne. But sparkling wine is fine as well. It will get foamy on top and it's normal, so let it go down a little before refilling it with champagne. As a garnish, I like adding a raspberry or two, although an orange twist can be cute too. And my friends, this is our Kir Impérial. This cocktail always adds a nice touch to any festivity like dinner parties, soirées, or even to welcome in the new year. It's also a great drink to serve at your next brunch. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!